Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Yervain, and I will be providing a brief summary of Boolean operators, which can help you with your online search by reducing or expanding the amount of records returned. In addition, Boolean operators can help you save time by narrowing searches for more relevant results that are more suitable to your needs. What are Boolean operators? The three most common Boolean operators are and, or, and not. They are used to create a very broad or very narrow search. The Boolean operator AND combines search terms so that each search result contains all of the terms. For example, if I want to find articles on Makerspace and library, I will type in the terms Makerspace and library by capitalizing the word AND. This will help me find articles that contain both Makerspace and library. The Boolean operator OR combines search terms so that each search result contains at least one of the terms. For example, if I want to find articles on high blood pressure, I would need to consider term or terms that has similar meanings such as hypertension. I will type in the terms high blood pressure or hypertension by capitalizing the word OR. This will help me find results that contain either high blood pressure or hypertension. The Boolean operator NOT excludes terms so that each search result does not contain any of the terms that follow it. For example, if I want to find articles on owning dementia and not Alzheimer's, I would exclude the term Alzheimer's by typing and capitalizing the word NOT. This will help me find articles that contain dementia but not Alzheimer's. A helpful tip to keep in mind is each search engine or database collection uses Boolean operators in a slightly different way, or may require the operator be typed in capitals or have special punctuation. This specific phrasing will be found in either the guide to the specific database found in Research Resources or the search engine's help screens. Thank you for watching. This will conclude my presentation on Boolean operators.